In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share links in an Adalo app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a share action so your users can send deep links to specific content in your app, like a post or event. Start by opening your browser and searching for Adalo. Click through to the official Adalo site and sign in to your account. Once you're in the editor for your app, navigate to the screen that contains the content you want people to share. This could be a details screen for a post, an event page, or any item that has a unique record in your database. Choose the component you want users to tap to trigger sharing. A button or an icon works great here. Give it a clear label or recognizable icon so users instantly understand it will share something. With that component selected, look to the left side of the editor for the Click Actions panel. This is where you'll add the behavior that fires when someone taps the button. Add another action, then open the More section from the drop-down. From there, choose Deep Linking Share. This action opens the device's native share sheet and lets you pass a link and optional text so recipients can tap and jump directly to the right place in your app or on the web. Now configure the fields for this action. Use magic text so the link is dynamic. The key idea is to include the unique ID of the content you're sharing, not just a generic page link. If you're on a post details screen, insert the current post's ID into the link field with magic text. That way, every time a user shares from a different post, the link that gets generated is specific to that item. This is what makes the link deep, because it points straight to the content rather than a generic home screen. While you're here, add context to the message that accompanies the link. Use magic text again to pull in the post title, the event name, or any short description. This extra detail helps the recipient understand what they're opening and makes the share more compelling. Keep it concise and readable so it looks good in the share preview. That's it. You searched for Adalo, signed in, selected your share component, opened the Click Actions panel, added a deep linking share action from the More menu, made the link dynamic using magic text for the unique ID, and included helpful context like a title or name. With those pieces in place, your users can share precise links that bring people exactly where you want them to land inside your app.